Who loves a healthy glow to their skin besides me? Then you will love Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder. Today, I'm thrilled to partner with them. It's time to unwind after a long and busy day and relax for the evening. Come join me as I get unready with Estee Lauder. First up, brew a cup of herbal tea. Since I raided my mother's beauty chest at the tender age of 15, I've been obsessed with all things Estee Lauder. Advanced Night Repair has recently been relaunched with a beautiful recyclable glass bottle. After a relaxing cup of tea, it's time to get ready for the night with Estee Lauder skincare. Step 1. Remove any trace of makeup with Estee Lauder Take It Away lotion. Step 2. I love to use 2-in-1 pomegranate cleansing lotion. But the pièce de résistance is Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair, my latest obsession with 8-hour antioxidant power. I always look for skincare products that keep my skin looking radiant, plump, and hydrated. It's not about looking as young as I can. To me, it's all about looking your best, whether you're 35, 50, or 62. It's time to live the life we love. Estee Lauder is helping us do just that. It's a no-brainer to use Advanced Night Repair, loaded with peptides, ferments, antioxidants, and hyaluronic acid at night to ignite my skin's natural repair process. But this powerful serum protects my skin against the damage caused by environmental assaults of modern life, all while I sleep.